have a treat for you here on this one. Beautifully street rotted 1940 Pontiac 5-window coupe. House of Colors paint. This is candy pearl tangerine over black base. And it is stunning in person. Underneath the hood, it's a Pontiac 400 that's built to a 468 or stroked to a 468. 575 pound-feet of torque. 488 horse. It's got a dual 4-barrel setup. We're going to take a look underneath the hood in a little bit. Check out the grille and the bright work up front on this one. Nicely equipped. Automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. But look at how this paint just pops. Check out the still pictures. You're going to want to look at this one. Underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Power disc brakes, all 4 corners, riding on Fuchs chrome 5-spoke wheels, radial tires, and this thing is all steel. I have not found really much of any imperfections, no major nicks, dings, or scratches. Take a look down this passenger side. I left the windows rolled up so you can see there is a light tint to them, and it's kind of cool because it's almost like an amber tint, and it goes good with the car. I'm leaving these signs up previous owner had in. Hey, just don't step on the running boards, would you? Because those are in nice shape. Dual exhaust, side exit, as you can see. All right, some of the things. Dakota digital dash, custom auto sound stereo with Bluetooth capabilities. There is a dyno sheet and engine receipts as far as what it took to build it. Let's put it this way, it wasn't cheap. There's also a few pics of this car from before the build. Looked like it was solid. Nice starting vehicle. The trunk release is behind the driver's seat, and I'll show you that in just a bit. Brakes are 90% in the front, 80% in the rear. Once again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com, and yes, this one looks as good in person as it does the pictures and the videos. If you like these street rods, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here. At Unique Classic Cars, here's a prime example. All right, we know how nice this exterior looks. Let's take a peek at the interior because you know it is going to be just as nice. And indeed, no disappointments in here. So 2-tone door panels matching the seat. Of course, bucket seats, center console, the AC and heat controls down there in the center. Obviously tilt column. A lot of chrome and bright work on the interior of this car too. Headliner, great shape. Look at the AC vents in the rear also. Sorry about that. You can see speakers also installed back there, so that custom auto sound stereo install. The vents up here. Man, this thing's over the top. All right, one of the best parts about it. Let's fire it up so you can hear it. It shows 6926. I'm guessing that's probably since the build. Pressure and temp gauge. I wouldn't expect that to be up. That was a cold start. The radio was on Bluetooth. I have not gotten any reception with the AM FM. I'm guessing somebody's running Bluetooth off of there. That door closes just unbelievably. Nice and smooth and tight. Listen to this. attention to detail underneath the hood of this. All the chrome bright work. There's that dual quad setup, intake manifold, valve covers painted to match. Aluminum radiator. You want to take home some trophies, this one will do it. You want to just go down the road and drive it and have a good time, this one will do it. What a great looking car. That house of colors, candy pearl tangerine over black base, nicely equipped. That stroked 400 to a 468, 488 horse, 575 pound-feet of torque, and it's drivable. 507-386-1726, number to call. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1940 Pontiac Coupe in a beautiful color and amazing condition. This street rod's slightly modified in all the good ways. This is an automatic on the center console. Beautiful interior, bucket seats, plenty of comfort. Comfort doesn't detract from the power and the speed of this car. Very nice acceleration. The AC's blowing ice cold. This car even has a rear duct for AC for the rear passengers. Pioneer stereo in the dash, ready to hook your device up. Now the fuel gauge is reading completely full. Volts are showing over 14 as they should. Oil pressure about 65 psi. And the temperature about 190 degrees Fahrenheit. That's looking good. Speedometer working as well. Nice aftermarket steering wheel. Metal backing with finger grooves. That center console's got cup holders. It's got storage. The switches for the AC and some extra auxiliary switches mounted right there at arm's length. Brakes nice and smooth. This is really nice to drive. Corner's very flat. It's got all the great looks of the 1940 Pontiac and all the modern amenities you're looking for in a daily driver car. There we go. A little further down with the foot, it kicks down all the way. Beautiful car, drives great on the road, and lots of power. Take a look at all the pictures of this 40 Pontiac at UniqueClassicCars.com.